This is my voice 1 week in Nigeria. My voice 1 month in Nigeria. Flora, where you did? Otiaya wearing. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me.
Yes, I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning.
New TikTok challenge. Show me the most expensive thing you own. Venmo and bio.